Welcome to another edition of CRE Mythbusters, where we bust bad info in 1 minute and possibly save you a few thousand. Myth: lease renewal loyalty. My landlord will cut me a break. I've been a tenant for years. I wish loyalty points worked in commercial real estate. Sadly, they don't. Landlords don't renew leases based on sentiment. They renew based on market value, vacancy rates, and their own leverage. Without negotiation and market data, you might overpay for your own square footage. So, if you're going into a renewal talk expecting a gold star and a discount just for being nice, you're already at a disadvantage. Let's talk numbers, market trends, and terms before your lease quietly rolls over into something you'll regret. Well, that's another CRE myth busted. Want to lease smarter? Let's talk.